Hey guys, it's Tiffany and welcome to my world. In today's video, we're going to be doing a lash tutorial, how to apply false lashes. Beginner friendly. I didn't use any tweezers. I literally just used my hands because that's what I'm most comfortable with. If you're interested in seeing how I did my lashes, just keep watching. We're up close and personal. I just did my baby hairs and straightened the inches, but today we're gonna be doing a lash tutorial on how to do your lashes. I should have done my brows, but like skip it. So first thing before doing lashes, you need to do lining. You want to line your lashes because of the simple fact your lashes are a little far apart. You're gonna see your skin. I'm pretty decent now. Like, okay. You do not have to do a fancy wing or anything. You just want to line it. The thinner the band of the lash, the thinner your line could really be. But lately I've been doing pretty thick lining and I actually like it. So, and I don't feel like doing a wing because I don't feel like messing up on camera in a tutorial. This is the e.l.f. felt tip liner. Sometimes I need to go in with this liner, which has a different tip, and it's just like a brush to go in the inner corner. But today, so far, I'm not having any problems. It really does help to have a relaxed eye. Okay, Tiffany, your eye needs to stop twitching. I recommend do a lash glue because it's like the best one in my opinion. And this is the brush on adhesive. Put some glue on it and I barely touched it, so hence why I'm going over it. But it does dry clear. It doesn't irritate my eyes. Just want to take it and blow it for like 30 seconds. You want to grab it like by the ends. You do not need tweezers this way. To me, it's more comfortable to apply it this way. And then take it and apply the piece you didn't apply down. Some people might say it might be easier with tweezers, but I do pretty fine without using tweezers, so I don't really care for them. Sneaky Tiffany, dramatic Tiffany. It's that easy. And I put mascara on last. We gonna do that too, but like, guys, do you see how easy it is? I literally give it a second before I even touch it again and just go on to the next lash. So if it does need glue, I want all the glue on it already to dry. So we're gonna do the same thing over here. It takes 2 seconds to re-glue down. So while that is just doing its bonding, we're gonna take a little bit of glue. This is only if and only if it didn't work. I don't know if you guys can see how right there it's not attached. So I just take some glue, put it a decent size amount, and then literally gonna wait a second and then just take it and stick it down. Okay, now that that's all done, we're gonna take our Essence Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara, and I like it because it's curved like that, and you're just gonna put your lashes up. I love this mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and probably do another layer of mascara once that dries with this, and then kind of fix my brows, and then we'll be back. My lashes do not even look like all that. I didn't set my face. Thank you guys for staying to the end. If you found this video helpful, let me know. If you think that I'm just terrible at applying lashes, keep your comments to yourself. So yeah, bye.